Si Kulay! Anong ginagawa? Anong ginagawa mo?
He's connected to the turtle miraculous and is best friends with Master Fu. He also has a strong connection with other Kwami. Master, the Moth Miraculous, I felt its aura.
Nasaan yung fish?
To the Moth Miraculous
May fish ka pa ga?
is definitely not his friend.
Wala na, ubos na. Wala nang fish. Wala nang fish, kawawa naman. Nasaan ang fish mo?
Powers will they unleash?
Siya, kiss muna ako. Sa pakis muna, mama, pakis. Pakis muna. Pakis muna. Sali ka na.